Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. In this video, we're going to show you how to complete the SBA Form P-022 or the Resolution and Certification. This is a form that the SBA is making small business owners and self-employed fill out in order to get the SBA EIDL loan or the SBA EIDL loan increase, okay? Now, basically, let's go straight to the form. So this is the form that they're making you fill out, right? And we're going to show you how to fill out this form if you are a corporation, an LLC, or self-employed. So the first thing you need to do is put here on the top right, it says your application number and your SBA loan number. Now, the best place to find these numbers is in your SBA EIDL loan contract. On the contract, on the first page, on your top left, you're going to see the SBA loan number. And on the top right, you're going to see your application number. All right. Now, if you have not received an EIDL loan in the past and you are applying for the first time, you do not have a loan number, but you do have an application number. Okay. So those are the numbers you put here. On this line here, basically, you're going to put your business name. If you are a corporation or an LLC, you put your business name. So it can be Sample LLC or Corp or Inc. So basically, you put your business name in this line. Now, if you are self-employed, the interesting thing is, if you're self-employed or an independent contractor, the SBA shouldn't be asking for this document, but they are anyways. So if you are self-employed independent contractor and an SBA agent is telling you to fill out this form, our first, what we recommend is that you reply to that agent, letting them know you are self-employed, you're an independent contractor, and you do not need to fill out this form. In some cases, it goes through, but in some cases, the agent still is making self-employed individuals fill out this form. If that's your case, then just basically put your name. Put your name. Let's say that it's John Smith, but I would recommend to put here self-employed like that, just in case. Okay, so that's the first line. Then over here on this line, you're going to put the same thing, the name of your business. So you can put Sample Inc. or Corp or LLC. And if you're self-employed, then it's going to be your name. And again, I would put self-employed like that, just in case. Okay. So that's what you put in this line. And then here in this line, you put the total amount of the loan that you are applying for. So if you're applying for the max of $500,000, then you put here $500,000. So the total amount that you're going for, that's the amount that you put in this line. Okay. Then you scroll down, and here is going to ask you for the name and the title of the owners. Now, if you are a corporation, then you put the name of the officers here, and here the title. You put president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and you put the names. If you are an LLC, then you put the name of the owners of the LLC, and here you put member, managing member, owner, whatever is your title in your LLC. If you are the only owner of the LLC, then put your name, and in title put owner. All right. Then you scroll down, and here it says in this line the representatives of, and in this list line you put the name of your business again and again. You put, if you're an Inc., you put Inc. If you're a Corp, you put Corp. If you are an LLC, you put LLC. If you're self-employed, then it's your name And I would again put like that self-employed, just in case. All right, that's how you fill out that part. And in the bottom, you put your name and the title. Same thing. Is your name your title? If you're self-employed, put your name and self-employed. For example, if you're self-employed, it'll be your name and then you put here self-employed. All right. And here on this line here, you put your signature. Here you put your date, and basically you're done. That's what you need to do to fill out this form. All right. So that's basically how you fill it out. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been of value to you and your business. If it has, please like this video, share it with other business owners that can take advantage of this information. And remember to subscribe to our channel because we are always putting up content to help you reach your financial goals. All right. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.